Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today we're looking at a brand new floor plan by Rockwood. It's a 2021 Rockwood Mini Lite 2516s. It's a front kitchen, great couples camper, theater seats, but you've got a bed slide in the master bedroom. So if you like the couples camper and you're going a little bit bigger, this is a great floor plan to check out. Let's get started, take a look. Guys, remember, watch all the way till the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slide outs in so you can see what you do and don't have access to when you're in travel. So make sure you watch all the way till the end. If you have not yet already, give me a quick thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button, that bell. The bell will give you a heads up every time I put a new camper on. Be the first one to see new decors, new options, new floor plans like this one. So make sure you hit that bell. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. All right, guys, so walking in, you see the theater seats. We're looking at the chocolate decor, Newport ash cabinetry. We did the solar panel, your 12-volt refrigerator. That front kitchen. Kind of pass through bathroom to the master bedroom. And that's what's unique about this one. So that's where we'll start. Queen size bed in the slide out. You got storage underneath. 2 drawers that pull out, good access to your outside storage. Nice framing on the bed, so not just a piece of plywood or thin wood, you got an actual frame. Shocks that hold it up for you. Nice soft touch headboard, little nightstands. You do have receptacles, charging areas. There on that side of the bed, receptacle on the other. Your TV is on a swing arm. It will swing out. Easy viewing from the bed. Nice hanging storage. Drawers down low. An exit to go outside from the bedroom. There's your control panel for your solar, your lighting, your fuse panel down low. You do have a solid door that closes off the bedroom to the bathroom. So great bedroom area. As for your bathroom, corner shower, max air vent with the cover on the roof. You do have tons of storage, porcelain toilet, nice storage under the sink. This corner shower, again, I'm 6'5", bigger guy. I'm right up in the dome. Probably got 1 more inch, 2 more inches, maybe tops if you're a little taller than 6'5". But good storage, vanity, nice large bathroom sink. Moving back into the living area, again, the chocolate decor, the theater seats. You got the divider with your little charging port. Cup holders. Your chairs do recline and have footrests, lumbar support, roller shades throughout. They are directly across from the entertainment area. So your TV, your stereo with speakers, your electric fireplace that does put out heat. The stereo, the IRV technologies, your CD, AM, FM, DVD player, USB. You've got your HDMI as well. TV is on a swivel arm, so if you're in the kitchen, and you can get easy access for hooking, PlayStation, satellite, anything like that. I mentioned the 12-volt fridge, good size. We got the solar panel on the roof. You got a TV mount outside, so they give you an extra bracket, which is nice. Give you a little Forest River spatula. water filtration, your TST, so your tire monitoring system. Check your pressure, your temperatures, make sure you don't have leaks. Nice safety feature that Rockwood does for you. All right, the kitchen, tons of countertop space. So great kitchen. On the side, you got a good large oven, LED lights. You've got a flush mount cover that acts as a backsplash, exhaust for the range, microwave, little cubby holes, more storage, nice drawers down low, good storage throughout. And you still get a pantry, got automotive windshield on the front, you got a shade, and then receptacles and charging area throughout. So very nice 2021 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2516s. Let's work our way outside. And on your way, you'll see your more hanging area, removable shelves. Again, nice large pantry. And all your controls as we leave. Check your holding tanks, your lights, slides, all in one area. So, very nice feature there. Let's head on up. All right, moving to the outside, you see the white exterior. 2 30-pound LP bottles, power tongue jack, automotive windshield, nice new logo on the front, your LED docking light, spot for your 7-pin and your chains, battery box that holds 2 batteries. It will come with 1. You got a dry weight of 6,221 pounds. Your docking light controls here, small storage access. You see we equipped it with awning toppers over your slides. You've got frameless windows, another storage bin. Moving in between the slides, you see your 30 amp service, your convenience area for your black tank flush, water hookup, cable, satellite, access to your water filter for winterization, hot and cold outside shower hookups. You've got the off-road tires, still 15-inch, but that sports package. Another storage bin here underneath the bed. Magnetic latches hold those up. Moving to the back, you see factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Up on the roof, you see front air conditioners ducted throughout. 2 max air fans, both with covers. Your skylight, your TV antenna, top of your 2 slide outs. Then your solar panel that's built in on the roof. You are prepped for backup camera. Spare tire mounted on the back. You've got a receiver built in. It's got a 300-pound hitch weight. Good for a bike rack or storage bin, something like that. Full-length power awning. Does cover both entry doors. You do also have LED lights. Large assist handle on both doors. Both doors also, you've got the step above entry steps that fold down and fold right up into the camper, nice and clean. Your screen door closes the screen for you. You've got a spot outside for a prep table. Bring your TV outside, hook here on the wall. Your cable and 110 hookup. You've also got a spot here for the griddle. So the griddle will hook here, tee right off your propane. You also have electric stabilizer jacks. Controls for the rear 2, and then up front, controls for the front 2. Main entry door, again, the 2516 logo. Those stairs do stow away. Very easily accessible shock assist. And you can adjust those legs. Adjust the doors. You do have friction hinge there. It stays where you leave it. you are prepped for a solar panel, so that will trickle charge those batteries. Controls for those front jacks, outside speakers, exhaust for your range hood. So your brand new 2021 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2516s. All right, as promised, your slides in. You got access, full access to the refrigerator, your sink. You can get through to the bathroom, whether you're coming from the front door or the bedroom door, you can get in as well. The steps would be down and you can get through. So full access, either door, going from the bedroom, the bathroom, kitchen. So full access with the slides in.